Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko son show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Mema obibia akwaba sonko ede ebatuma GHSO na misha museda ne da munya ebre eje edra etie ensema yede ebesomo utuma GHFD kese yi eso ekes kapa ene medi na gana wa hala dwumedi ena wani eguso a wo hwe na abusuafo ene de ensema ababeto yapono eso eyese ye China fo ede ye wo mo enkrofo adokutafo ene ebiem soso ye enkrofo betimi aboa ama COVID-19 asie etimi etu ano etimi abrase ewo mayimu eba na ebusuafo ensemwe ena magana fo dodo na ase yeti ase a enye ye jutum nso a enya de se yakoma ebetimi ato eyeyeyem nti wo mode wo made sede eto eye abontedi ama mampanyi na nadoda kwa ekufo adum na ebusuafo ye kọ eye ensem no emu ye na nsenyi ensem na no kwasiada ye mampanyi edibetu edwa ma ye hunse de COVID-19 no rising no nani abrepa eyi asisi no ewo say ye make sure say enyoma ye de beboa ama saa ye yare no ano etimi abrese ni ntimi entere se de enka no na ye no womo enhwe na womo enyem ma ye nim se na nka no awofo no dodo na pesenka ye mampanyi ebehwe na ni nkwada no kura suku no krapo no anka won twentwen sensan kakra na nsusu enya de se ye mampanyi eyeye na no mo na ene de ye nya ntie SM China for a deploy a medical team including a frontline doctors and the woman about the PM Ghana and West Africa my numuna said the bear or mobile one no mashe ama COVID-19 no asie etimi etu na penny power that a medical team no ano a Zuman Shuangu say do wa woni ntimi mbo nti said ye hunu no saa ena yanso yabo eno ede amam ode on na ye penimpa woda wo mo ano wode ne nsem etu edwana chese 10 batches of Chinese medical team ena chese wo mo dispatch wo Omanga na ne West Africa nyina chese wo mo ye first affiliated to Hospital of Chuanchu University Medical College chese wo mo de o makwadare wo COVID-19 ayarehwe emu wo China na panyinu de ne nsem no etu edwana ebusia for say and our can was in particular 3 medical specialists of our team have been on the front line to combat the pandemic in China, whose practical experience I believe will also work here in Ghana. Once we start the work in the China Ghana Friendship Hospital, we will do our best to share the relevant experiences with local doctors to help them better understand the route to curb the pandemic. China has dispatched 10 medical teams to Ghana in a bid to support the country's medical and healthcare services. Over years, the Chinese doctor has been devoted to serving local patients, which have been widely acclaimed by the country and its people. We any someone were there to a year adriana say won betimi aboa ahwe ama yare no to etimi etwa said ayonko feda China ne Ghana ayare sabia entem no etimi ayeden edi emu na say new cases no ebusuafo bebi ayedru de na chese ye na me 1900 ni church say average infection daily almost 200 na numu 13 out of 16 regions no o ma recorded virus infection no every corner such as ade a wo how anything na ma ye mampanyin any ayeden abrem na eno na wo mo HM a wo mo empesem ye be introduce partial lockdown ye mayimu no enuti na wo mo eboa ama ye mampanyin ne na nda kwa akufado edwumede no etimi ayefo ne no so ne say na wo mo nsem kan ye no ekoye. We don't want to go back to the days of partial lockdown which hurt our economy and the way of life. But should that become necessary and should the number of active cases continue in increase at the current rate, they will have no option than to impose the restriction to better save their lives. And we don't want that to happen. So we hope
So we think we should do so by helping our neighborhood or by helping our neighborhood Ghana so that they can curb the virus corona. We any a year one more ensema one more a day two a year a judges one more patches yeah man penny kasa ye na no kwete no mutie na man penny kasa ye na just COVID-19 one she ya na just a partial lockdown e betimi aba na no na one more extra one per se sa partial lockdown ye e betimi asori enu ti no one more edi dwuma se one more tuma one nkofo e de one more aba se ne be ya betimi abwa ama o man Ghana ye nsoso no yetimi aso ye yare no amene na Ghana for say dey be ade China for ye ni mu ewudi for say na mumutirimu ye nyentimi nkire enoma ewo mutimi na nsoso say dey mutimi ye nyoma bi covid yi ba ye videos na circulate obewu no obi wo bi na wo dey teso ye handles ahun ene de keka ehun eden ya na mutimi ye wa hwe krampa na mo ba aba wo Ghana for panier bonnet ama wo mo fiatase for asasi so no ne Ghana for bibiri na esu a wo mo esu said dey be China for the wo mo timi trust wo mo e wo bibia because gold krampo mo bo me mo bebe tu krampo no akwa akoko ya asem ene mansotwe na se wo mo ba be hwe ya yarefo ene wo mo bibiri na chesa yarefo no dodo na ewu na me bi no mo enso e ka se China nsuso no yade no efiri honum ene bai e ba wo man matere koye enso se ne ye hyedanti eye wo mo edi enti se wo mo e ba dia ene ye mo kwan na wo muntimi embra ebebedi eye adwuma no na abusuafo wo hwe eye China fa na muntu wo mo etu se wo mo dispatch nkofo frontline doctors edi abo meyi emu ya ebeboa anase egba mampanyin dintu anani kwan se woji etu for the travel fa ensemi hu ebra e wo tuma GH comment section if you like videos na share all the social media platform so ekeskapa enemy dasene yebesane share.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na